Is your Volvo screen stuck on Infotainment System Starting? You're not alone. This issue is common in Volvo models from 2015 onwards, particularly those with Census Connect or Android Automotive OS. It typically arises from software glitches or corrupted caches, not hardware failure. Corrupted or overloaded cache data, which are temporary files for apps like navigation or media, prevents the system from completing its boot up process. As of late 2025, Volvo has released updates to reduce this problem, but older models still experience it. Watch how the system can get stuck during boot up. Let's dive into the fixes. Here's how to troubleshoot the infotainment system issue. First, try clearing the system cache. In the hidden menu, select the option to wipe temporary data. This resets the system without affecting your settings. A soft reboot involves turning the ignition off and on. For a hard reboot, fully power down the vehicle for 30 minutes to discharge capacitors, then restart. Volvo recommends these steps in order: cache clear, then hard reboot, followed by checking for over-the-air updates. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it may require professional service, potentially involving reflashing the system firmware at a dealership.